Hello everyone, we are students of Computer Science Engineering and today we are excited to present our project titled a Multi-View Ensemble Intelligence Framework for Fake News Detection. Our team members are myself, Priyashni, Rishivardha and Pugavendi. Introduction. The rapid growth of digital media has increased the spread of fake news and misinformation, making manual verification difficult and unreliable. Our project processes the machine learning based multi-view ensemble framework that analyzes the news from different perspectives to improve the fake news detection accuracy and reliability in real time. And the project statement to design and implement a machine learning based system that automatically analyzes the news content and accurately identifies fake news by learning pattern from textual data and classifying the news articles as real or fake, thereby reducing the spread of misinformation and supporting the reliable information consumptions. Over to Pugavendi.
Hello, myself Pugadendi. I am going to explain the project architecture. This architecture diagram explains the complete overflow of our purposeful fake news detection system. The system is divided into 5 major sections, starting from the client layer and end with training and storage. In section A, which is client layer built using React and Web, user interact with the application. Here, user can log in, upload news content through text URLs and RSS feed or PDF and view prediction history. There is also an admin dashboard for monitoring model quality and operation. Access is used for secure API communication with JWT token handling. In section B, the API and application layer use flags. This layer handle authentication, prediction, request history management and admin operation. It also processes different types of inputs such as article, RSS feed, and a PDF through a content extraction pipeline that clean and prepare the data for analysis. In section C, the intelligence or interface layer, which is the core of the system. Here, a hybrid prediction engine combines classical machine learning model like Naive-Bayes random forest, SVM logical regression, and TF-IDF verification vectorization with an LSTM deep learning model. The output are combined using weighted soft voting and uncertainty thresholding to improve prediction accuracy. An explainability engine also provides reason behind prediction using keyword, attribute, and shape signal. Optionally, a fact verification layer can cross-check information with external source. In section D, the data and prediction layer store all important information using MongoDB. This includes user data, prediction history, and a trained model artifacts such as vectorization, tokenization, weight, and threshold. It is also integrated with email service through SMTP for password reset or notification. Finally, section E represent the training and ML ops layer. Here, database are used to train both classical and LSTM model, and the trained artifact are exposed back to the backend for deployment and monitoring. Thank you. Over to Rishivardha.
Hi, myself Rishivardha and I got the demo of our project. So here comes the demo and this is our landing page where we'll be having analyze, verify and trust your news, and we have to click, this is the main entry point of our project. So I have to click the analyze news, this button right which is in the blue with white color. So our web page, that is our project, is based by modern verification where we can take the input from URL, RSS and PDF and files and even more. We have got the explainable AI where it will show why we are going to give as a real one and why we are going to give it as a fake one. It just explains why this decision has been made. So yeah, the decision ready insights where it will show reduce misconceptions and quick support and etc. So it shows the decision, why this decision is made and decision is also taken, and that is known as decision ready insights. So we are going to enter the project by clicking on to the analyze news, and this is our sign in page where we are going to enter our username. We can just enter any username which is already entered and signed in. So this is a sign in page where we have to enter our name and the password. We have to go, and the current account, that I mean the create account is for creating the accounts where in case if the user doesn't have the account, or if the user forgets the account also, you can just click the forgot and you can just retrieve the reset the password. The first one data entry point is text. Like this we have text, URL, RSS and file. So this is our main home page where we'll be having the text as a first one. Let's see what is going to happen. We are going to paste the news here in the article text. So this is our first real news which is taken from the Times of India in recent days, which is based on the IPL, that is Indian Premier League, and with combined with ICC Men T20 trophy. So yeah, and we are going to paste it here, and yeah, if we click analyze, we have to click the analyze button. It will just show it as a real news. And we used a model known as model strategy. That model is known as a hybrid model where the N symbol and LSTM both combined, like N symbol plus the LSTM. We have implemented the deep learning also, that is the LSTM. So as known, it is shown as real with the model inside graph, and the ensemble voting splits and the decision strength and the evidence balance these graphs. And as I told, it will just show why it is real. So it is just giving a breakdown of why this news is a real news by showing these and so things, why each and every word is turned as a real one. And yeah, you can clearly see 5 out of 6 model votes with 83% of the argument and 56.38 of confidence. So next we are going to take example of fake news which is taken from the third party website, where we are going to have some set of things. So fake news, yeah, we are going to enter it in the text field. So yeah, pasting, analyze, same ensemble plus LSTM. Yeah, as known, fake news. So 60% and of confidence. Graphs are showing fake news are high and real news as 1. Decision strength, explainability, and same, each and every word is decoded and it will just say why it is fake. So yeah, with an model rate of 5 of 6, just as the previous one. So yeah, if we go to the URL, we have a simple drawback here, because in the URL site you can clearly see URL feature is used for third party news websites only, where the website allow web scraping. Like, even though it is a third party website, the website should allow web scraping on its web end. If that doesn't allow the web scraping, we cannot use this URL feature. So thereby TOI, BCC and Hindu don't allow web scraping feature, so we cannot visualize it, but it will just work for the third party website which allows web scraping. If in case any third party websites are implemented and putting the fake news in the future, we can just paste and verify it here. So next, yeah, this is the thing which I said is highlighted here. And we are going on with the RSS feed. So yeah, so we are going to paste the first link which is taken from BBCI. So clicking on the analyze button, the same hybrid and hybrid ensemble LSTM. So it is showing the source and link and what is the title of the this RSS, this news, and it is stating as a real one. Yes, obviously that is a real RSS. Fake oats and real oats and the graphs, and it is, you can clearly see the XML is converted into the word and formats, and the word is decoded and everything is scrapped, and we can get a clear picture of what the news is actually. So this is a new real one, and it is showing the explainability engine is working perfectly fine. It is just showing why I termed this news as a real one. The confidence is 60.55%. So yeah, it is showing fake oats 1, real oats 5, and why it is real. And the same procedure is for the next URL also, so I am just fast forwarding it. And then we are going with the file where we can select a file which is from the local, so we can just go with and select and upload. And click analyze, it will just analyze it and give. So it will just decode the words which are in the file, and as I already said, the news in the file is taken from TOI. Obviously it is a real news, so it is showing real. And it is showing the things what is done and what everything. Okay, so the graphs and real, what is fake and what is real, and everything, and so on. So and we can just click by text, and we can go into the model strategy. We are changing that into the classical one. We are just going and taking the same real set of news, where it is basically a recent political news of India. Or we can just go with the first one itself. Is none other deal. We can just copy it. Copy and pasting it, and clicking on, you can just see, we can just click on a classical ensemble only. So you can just see classical ensemble model only. So if we click analyze here, it will also just show the real news, because you can clearly see in the graphs we have naive Bayes, random forest, SVM, and logistic regression, these 4 alone. So with the real oats of all the real oats. So this is an overview of the ensemble models alone, where the deep learning is not involved here, and all the underlying procedure are just the same. So that's all. And we can have the unique user name, and we can see the news histories also. You can just go and check what on all the news you have posted previously. We can just click reanalyze it, or open the full analysis which taken from on that day. You can clearly see the date is there and the times are there. We can just verify and do anything with the because the data is stored here. This is a very unique feature in our project, where we can store the data. So thereby clicking on the logout button, it goes to the logout page, and same landing page is appearing. So we are verifying the JWT tokens and MongoDB in the backend, so that the account stays safe. And you can just log in at any time and check the news. Thanks for this opportunity, and this is an demo of our project. Yeah, thereby I am concluding. Myself Rishioda, and my teammates are Priyadarshini and Pugalendi. Thank you.